Ever wished you could summon a ride with just a few taps? So, you've downloaded the Uber app. Awesome. Now, let's unlock the ease of on-demand transportation. First, locate the Uber app icon on your phone. Tap the Uber app icon. This action opens the app, putting the world of rides at your fingertips. Fantastic! The Uber app home screen is displayed. You'll likely see a map showing your current location. At the very top, or bottom, depending on the app version, you will see a central search bar that says Where To. This is where the magic begins. Tap within the Where To bar and type your desired destination. As you type, the app will offer suggestions. Select your destination from the options, or finish typing and select the complete address. Once you've entered your destination, the app displays different ride options. These options will vary based on your location and may include choices like UberX, Uber Comfort, and other selections. Crucially, you will see the estimated time when the cab will arrive, and what the estimated cost of the ride will be. Now, choose the ride option that best suits your needs and budget by tapping on it. Before you book, take a moment to review the ride details that appear, including the estimated fare and driver information. If everything looks good, proceed to book. At the bottom of the screen, you will see a prominent button that says Request. Tap Request to book your ride. The app will then search for a driver. Once found, the app will display the driver's location on the map, along with their estimated arrival time. And that's it. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the convenience of your Uber ride. You will arrive at your destination in no time. It's that easy. #UberCab, #ride sharing.